Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions while having a blast. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, I know, this is the kind of excitement only a true tech enthusiast can appreciate. Today, we've got the Thermaltake Smart 700W on my left and the Thermaltake Smart 500W on my right. It's a battle of wattage. May the best PSU win. First up, let's talk about the price. The Smart 700W comes in at a shocking $67. Reviewers have praised it for delivering exceptional performance and reliability, making it a solid value for high-demand applications. Meanwhile, the Smart 500W is priced at a cool $44. And many users have highlighted its affordability and effectiveness for budget builds. So if you want to save a few bucks, you might think, hey, I could buy a couple of tacos instead. But remember, you don't want your system to be left in the dark, right? Now, let's talk power output. The Smart 700W flexes its muscles with a continuous power design of, you guessed it, 700 watts. Reviewers have noted its ability to handle heavy gaming sessions without interruptions. It's like the Hulk of power supplies, smashing through any gaming session with ease. On the other hand, the Smart 500W delivers 500 watts of continuous output. It's been described by users as a top choice for budget builds. Still strong, but maybe not taking on the whole Avengers team. So if you're powering a super rig with multiple GPUs, go for the 700W. If you're building a budget-friendly setup, the 500W is your friendly sidekick. Next up, efficiency. Both of these beauties are 80 PSUs certified. The Smart 700W promises to deliver power while keeping those electric bills from sending you into a coma. Reviewers appreciate its stable power and efficiency, and the Smart 500W, it promises 80% efficiency under typical loads. Users have complimented its smooth operation and reliability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. Now, noise levels. The Smart 700W boasts an ultra-quiet 120mm fan. Reviewers have noted its quiet operation, making it the perfect PSU for gaming sessions without distractions. It's like that one friend who shows up, eats all your snacks, and doesn't say a word. But the Smart 500W does a great job too. While not as quiet, it won't wake up your neighbors either. Users appreciate its decent noise level for the price, making it suitable for home setups. Finally, let's talk about warranty. Both the Smart 700W and the Smart 500W come with a 5-year warranty. Reviewers have emphasized the importance of this feature, as it provides peace of mind for users. That's like getting a 5-year guarantee that your PSU won't throw a tantrum and stop working right before your big gaming tournament. So whether you're Team 700 or Team 500, you're covered. Overall, both PSUs have their strengths. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is praised for its powerful output and quiet operation, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Meanwhile, the Smart 500W is recognized for its affordability and reliability, perfect for budget-conscious users. Both models come with a solid warranty, ensuring peace of mind for users. So there you have it, folks. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is perfect for those who want to unleash the full power of their rig, while the Smart 500W is a fantastic, budget-friendly option for a solid build. Which one will you choose? The Hulk or Spider-Man? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're gaming, working, or just binging your favorite series, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrifying comparisons. See you next time!